In this video, we will see how to use the touch panel of your Sonos Era. I have my phone over here that is playing into a room so you can see what is actually happening. Actually, you see that there is a song playing, and if I press the pause button, it did pause on the app. This is the Sonos Era 300 that is playing just right now. So, as I've just said, if I press the play button, well, it will play, and if I press it again, it will pause. We can see that the music is playing right now. It's just that the volume is very low. If we want to solve that, we have the volume bar over here. There is two ways to control it. You see here there's a plus, and there's the minus. So if I hit plus, it will increase the volume by 2% every time I press it, just like that. You can also scroll your finger like that, and it will pass over 20%. Is it? 30%, sorry. 30% less, 30% plus. So that should be around 50. Around. So I can pause the music again, play the music again, lower the volume by tapping just like that. Now those two arrows that we see over here are for the skip and previous. So if I want to skip to the next song, I hit that one and it goes to the next song. And if I press the return button up to a certain point, it will come back at the beginning of the song, and if I do it quickly, it will go back to the previous song. So if you are far enough into the song, it go back to the beginning of the song, otherwise it go back to the previous song. There is a double function with the play button, and we will see it with that other speaker over here. If I go here in every room, we can see that the Era 100 is actually not playing anything, and we have music playing into the Era 300. So if I press and hold the play pause button, it will join another room that is playing. Actually, we can see that there's some other music that is selected in other room, but because the Era 300 is the only one playing, it will join the 300 right away. So if I press and hold it, just like that, you can see that they are now joined together. So if you are into a group mode, you reach a room and don't want to listen to music, instead of pausing the music, that will stop the music everywhere, what you will do is that you will press and hold the play pause button to quit the group, just like that. If there was another room playing something, it would have tried to join that room, and when you have done all the tour of all the playing room, it will just quit and not playing anything without stopping the other room. Then we don't need that phone anymore. Right here we have the speech bubble. If I press it, it will enable the voice command, but actually it's not working because there is that mute button that is enabled. So if I take it up, now the microphone is enabled. There is a Bluetooth button here if you need to pair a device. I will do a video about this. And now if I press that button, you see there's the light over here. Now it's disabled, now it's enabled. So now I can ask something like, hey Sonos, play music. Voila. And pause the music, just like that. So this is how you control the touch panel of your Sonos Era.